Have you ever wondered how the concept of evolution can impact the world of artificial intelligence? Welcome to the era of Darwin AI. As we embark on this journey, let's first explore the essence of Darwin AI. Named after Charles Darwin, the man who proposed the theory of evolution, Darwin AI is a new approach that applies the principles of evolution and natural selection to the realm of artificial intelligence. Just as species adapt to their environment in the natural world, Darwin AI applies the same principles to machine learning models. It's about survival of the fittest, but in the context of algorithms and data models. This evolutionary approach allows AI systems to continually improve, adapt, and grow smarter as they interact with their digital environment. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does this work? Well, imagine a pool of AI models competing for survival in a digital environment. These models are exposed to a variety of tasks and challenges. The models that perform the best are selected, their genes are combined, and the process is repeated, creating a new generation of AI models. This process mimics the natural selection that occurs in the biological world and leads to the evolution of more effective and efficient AI models. The goal of Darwin AI is not just about creating smarter AI, but it's also about making AI more understandable and transparent. By tracking the evolutionary process, we can see how an AI model evolves over time, providing insights into its decision-making process. This transparency is essential, as it helps us trust and understand the AI systems that are becoming an increasingly integral part of our lives. Darwin AI is a fascinating concept, isn't it? It's a testament to how the principles of nature can inspire advancements in technology. It's a bold new frontier in the realm of artificial intelligence, promising to make AI not just smarter, but also more understandable and accessible. Now that we understand what Darwin AI is, let's dive deeper into how it works. The magic of Darwin AI lies in its unique approach to machine learning. But how does it function? Well, to understand Darwin AI, we first need to get familiar with the concept of genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithms are inspired by the process of natural selection, which we all know as survival of the fittest. They're used to find optimal solutions by evolving a population of individual solutions. Now, imagine applying this concept to machine learning models. That's exactly what Darwin AI does. It starts with a population of simple machine learning models. These models are then subjected to a process of evolution, much like species in nature. First comes the selection. The fittest models, those that perform the best on the task at hand, are selected. The fittest could mean the most accurate, the fastest, or any other measure of performance. The selected models then undergo mutation and crossover. Mutation introduces small changes in a model's structure, similar to genetic mutations in nature. This could be adding or removing a layer in a neural network, for instance. Crossover, on the other hand, involves combining parts of two models to create a new one, much like how offspring inherit traits from both parents. Over generations of this process, the machine learning models evolve. They become more complex, more efficient, and more adapted to the task. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't require any human intervention. The models learn and evolve on their own, guided by the principles of natural selection. But here's the kicker. Darwin AI also has a feature called explainability. This means that it not only evolves machine learning models, but also provides insights into how these models make decisions. This is a big step towards making AI more transparent and less of a black box. So, Darwin AI is not just a fancy term, it's a revolution in the AI industry. But what does this revolution mean for us? The emergence of Darwin AI has brought both excitement and apprehension. What's the fuss all about? Well, let's delve into the potential impacts of this intriguing piece of technology. Firstly, Darwin AI aims to make artificial intelligence more efficient. It's like giving your car a turbo boost. By using something called generative synthesis, Darwin AI can create leaner, meaner versions of deep learning neural networks. These are like the brains of AI, but often they can be large and clunky. Darwin AI streamlines these networks, making them faster and more efficient. This could open up new possibilities for AI, allowing it to be used in ways we haven't even imagined yet. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and Darwin AI is not without its potential pitfalls. One of the main concerns is the unpredictability of AI. As AI becomes more complex, it becomes harder to understand exactly how it makes its decisions. This is known as the black box problem. Darwin AI, with its ability to create new neural networks, could potentially exacerbate this issue. If we can't understand how an AI is making decisions, how can we control it or ensure it's acting ethically? Moreover, the potential for AI to replace human jobs is a fear that has been discussed ad nauseum. With Darwin AI's efficiency, this concern becomes even more pressing. Could this lead to an increase in AI-driven automation and therefore job losses? Then there's the issue of security. As AI becomes more prevalent, so do the opportunities for misuse. Whether it's deepfakes, cyber attacks, or AI-driven surveillance, the potential for harm is real. Darwin AI, with its advanced capabilities, could potentially be used in these harmful ways. With such a powerful tool at our disposal, it's no surprise that tech giants are showing interest. And one such giant has recently made a significant move. So, what does this mean for the future of AI, and how might it impact our world? Let's find out in the next scene, where we discuss Apple's acquisition of Darwin AI. The tech world was taken by storm when Apple announced its acquisition of Darwin AI. What does this mean for the future? Let's delve into the implications of this monumental move by one of the world's tech giants. Apple's acquisition of Darwin AI is a strategic move that's poised to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence. Consider the magnitude of this. Apple, a company known for its innovation and cutting-edge technology, acquiring Darwin AI, a firm that's revolutionizing the way AI works. It's like a meeting of the minds, a synergy that could potentially catapult the AI industry into new frontiers. Now, let's talk about what this could mean for consumers. Apple's products have always been about delivering exceptional user experiences. With Darwin AI now in their arsenal, we could expect even more personalized, intuitive, and intelligent devices. Imagine a future where your iPhone isn't just a device, but a companion that understands you, learns from you, and evolves with you. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But with the power of Darwin AI, this could soon be a reality. On the flip side, Apple's acquisition of Darwin AI also raises some pertinent questions. How will this affect the competition in the tech industry? Apple has always been a trendsetter, and this move might just trigger a chain reaction, prompting other tech companies to follow suit. What will this mean for the balance of power in the AI industry? Will we see a monopoly, or will it lead to an era of unprecedented innovation and competition? Moreover, this acquisition could also have broader implications. As AI becomes more pervasive in our lives, issues of privacy, security, and ethics become increasingly important. How will Apple, with its new AI capabilities, navigate these complex issues? Indeed, the acquisition of Darwin AI by Apple is a game changer, but it also leaves us with some big questions. It's an exciting time to be alive as we witness the dawn of a new era in technology. As the story unfolds, one thing is certain: the future of AI will never be the same again. As we grapple with the implications of Darwin AI and its acquisition by Apple, we must keep asking questions. We've journeyed through the intricate workings of Darwin AI, understanding its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. We've also delved into the potential ripple effect of Apple's bold acquisition move. This could truly be a game changer, not just for the tech giant, but for the entire AI industry. As we step into a future where artificial intelligence becomes increasingly woven into our daily lives, it's crucial that we remain informed and engaged. The potential impacts of Darwin AI are vast and far-reaching. It's not just about technology. It's about how this technology will shape our world and our place within it. So let's keep the conversation going. Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to be updated in the domain of AI. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section.